So now this is the CondoMounts latest product, is the wall monitor mount, and it is also actually a laptop stand. All right, so how do you fix this laptop stand? Let me just remove this monitor first from the mount. Right, so firstly, you just remove the bottom one, so you don't have to worry where the laptop might fall off, because I have a trick that you could do. So remove the bottom screw first. There you go. And then for the top screw right here, so remove this first. Then, so for the top screw right here, you just loosen it a bit, okay? And then this, and then pull this laptop out. So monitor out. So now you have this part right here. All right. So as you know, CondoMounts has included this. So this is the laptop stand intended for this monitor laptop mount right here. So use the screw. I'm going to use the same screw for a while. Before you mount this, make sure this part right here faces down, right? So that you can place your laptop later. So you could actually place the screws first, right? Okay, and one more right here. So let me just take the screw and place it into this. So you don't have to worry, because CondoMounts always make sure that you have a easy DIY journey. All right, just push it through here and then place it inside like this, and then place the bottom screws, the two screws down here. All right, there you go. And one more on the other side. If this blocking is pull it, and then you tighten the top screw. There you go. So there you go. Now you just have to use this as a laptop stand. See, just pull it up like this, and then now you have a beautiful laptop stand. I'm going to place my laptop right here, and I'm going to show you now. I have a laptop right here. I'm going to place the laptop and show you how to do it. I just place your laptop, and this thing, these two things actually, you could pull this outside like that, and there's one more right here. You just pull it outside, and now you have a full laptop stand. Okay, this laptop stand is special because of the motion. All right, you could spin the laptop up and down, and this is a wall mounted laptop stand, and your workspace is gonna be special after this, because everything is so tidy with this. Okay, you have cable, if you have your cables, you could run your cables right through this hole right here, right to the wall. So this is the CondoMounts wall laptop mount.